If you have a modified Corvette with higher than stock horsepower, or if you just want to make your car stand out from the crowd, these custom-made horsepower decals may be just what you're looking for. These unique decals come in 3 different sizes so they can be placed almost anywhere and are suitable for any year Corvette. Small decals measure 2 inches by 1/2 inch, medium decals measure 4 inches by 1 inch, and the large size decals measure 6 inches by 1.5 inches. The variety of sizes available makes them perfect for interior or exterior applications. Your imagination is the limit. In addition to the 3 different available sizes, the decals come in a number of colors to make them truly unique. The number portion of the decal can be selected in any of the available colors, and the HP portion of the decal can as well. This gives an almost unlimited number of combinations that you can match to the style of your Corvette. You can enter any horsepower figure into the field on the web page up to 4 digits. The decals are sold in pairs and are custom made in-house. Order yours today and add that extra touch to your custom Corvette. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for future videos. Also be sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. At CorvetteMods, we obsess over your vet.